Welcome to English 1, Quarter 4, Weeks 5 to 6. Meaning of words. Clues help you identify the meaning of words in any context. They may be in forms of pictures, total physical response, and body movements. In this lesson, you are expected to give the meaning of words using clues, total physical response, pictures, and body movements. Let's study the picture below and answer the question that follows. What are the girl and the boy doing? Correct, they are writing. For our learning task 1, read each sentence. Match the underlined words in column A with the correct pictures in column B. Write the letter of your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Barry has a pet dog. Pet is the underlined word. Correct, dog. So the answer is letter A. Number 2. Tom feeds the chicken. Correct, letter B. Number 3. My dad bought me a new baseball bat. Correct, letter C. Number 4. We spent our vacation in my uncle's farm. Correct, letter B. For our learning task 2, cut or draw pictures that best show the meaning of the highlighted words. Paste them in your notebook. Number 1. Mother is cooking. What is the highlighted word in number 1? Correct, cooking. So we are going to draw mother while she is cooking. Number 2. The cat sleeps on the rug. You can draw it like this one. Number 3. We planted a mango seed in our backyard. Number 4. Missy had a toothache because she ate too much candy. Number 5. She reads the books loud and clear. Let us go to clues. Clues are hints found in the sentences. They are used to understand and identify the meaning of unfamiliar words. Pictures, body movements, and total physical response are used as clues in understanding the meaning of words. Here are the examples. Mary and Ella play together. She helps her mother wash the dishes. The family attends Mass every Sunday. Teacher Mary loves to teach her pupils. For our learning task 3, look at the pictures. Complete the phrases by choosing the correct word in the parentheses. Write the completed phrases in your notebook. Number 1, let us look at the picture. Okay, what do you think Dennis is holding? Book, bag, or paper? Correct. Book of Dennis. Okay, let's go to number 2. A beautiful, is it a teacher, a mother, or a pupil? Based on the picture in number 2, pupil. Number 3, let us look at the picture in number 3. The 2, is it ears, eyes, or dimples? Correct, it is eyes. Number 4, and what do you think the girl is holding? Yes, it is a doll. Doll of Jenny. For our learning task 4, read each sentence. Then match it with the correct picture. Write the letter of your answers in your notebook. Let us read the choices below. A. She looks very nice in her dress. B. Jenny sleeps on her soft bed. Letter C. She sings well. The 1. Correct. The answer is letter D. How about number 2? Letter B. Jenny sleeps on her soft bed. While number 3? Correct. A. She looks very nice in her dress. For task A, complete the paragraph by selecting your answers inside the box. Do this in your notebook. Let us read the choices inside the box. Clues, picture, words. Blanks are hints found in sentences. Correct. Clues. They are used to easily understand and identify the meaning of words. The use of picture, body movements, and total physical response are clues in figuring out the meaning of words. Thank you, children, for listening. Until next time, bye!